What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we actually have some car content. Can you believe it? My first car style type video in so long. Hold on, K-Camp. If you don't know who K-Camp is, and no, not from the Renegade song. That beat is fire. But listen to the song Do It Again by K-Camp, and I promise you will be
do it again. I fucked your bitch, I'ma do it again. They cannot tell me what
nuggin if you buck. But like I was saying, today's video is suspension based. We're going to finally be fixing the Rsx'S suspension because it's a little too bouncy for my liking. But that's because mess with the preload, it's not gonna drive the way it should drive. So what I have in this box right here, well, in these 4 little boxes, we have springs from Function Inform to help with. Right here, these are 10K, so these are going in the front or the rear. I don't know, I can't remember. I think the 10Ks are going in the front and then the 12K goes in the rear. I don't know, we'll see when I get to Fred's house. Speaking of which, we're going to Fred's house to do this because Fred has a garage and Fred's funny content, you know. It's cold outside. On my screen right now, I look hella black. Like, I look like, you can see my teeth kinda. I don't know why this Sony does that. Like, I wish it had like the backlighting features. Like now, on my screen, I look brighter, but I'm pretty sure like in post, I'm probably already look light skinned. Probably not, right? Yeah, I don't know what I was talking about. But if I get close, you can see more of my face. Now I'm a locked character, playboy. Swipe up to unlock me. I'm finna make a Snapchat premium or something, bro. I need to get my bands up all 2020, you feel me? Girls can't be the only. Bro, I remember years ago, like in middle school, high school, when a girl knew to get exposed, she started crying, become all suicidal. Now the same girl charging 15 for premium. Like, yo, get your ass out of here, bro. Like, yo, I remember you from high school. You ain't fooling nobody. You used to cry. Life is crazy. What's up? We at Fred's house. Fred boy, what's happening, whoa? What's up with you, bruh? Ain't shit, I feel it, dog. Hey, what's happening?
Yo, bruh.
What's up?
And people talking about I can't go back to work until August, bruh.
August?
Oh, I'm bored, dog.
August? You went today to the doctor? Or the hospital to get a checkup?
Nah, but they approved my my short-term
Who?
disability.
So you still getting paid, but you just can't work.
Nah, bruh. I'm only getting paid like 60%, bruh. I'm about to drop some merch, bruh. That shit tough.
Alright, so I got the car all jacked up in the air. It's time to take off the wheels and get to work on this suspension. So I'm probably gonna time-lapse everything, and the cool thing about this camera, it has a time-lapse mode. So I don't have to like record a long video and then time-lapse it through post. I can just time-lapse it right through here. Alright, so I went ahead and already got the suspension done. I didn't time-lapse it because I guess my camera do not have the time-lapse option. I think that's the A6400. But here I have the suspension out with what I'm going to throw in right here. I'm going to do 10K up front, 12K rear. I want to do the 12K front, 10K rear. I might just do that. I might just do 12, but it might blow the shocks. And I'm pretty sure that if I set it on camera now, they're not going to warranty it out if it breaks. Welcome to my life. But I'm going to do it anyway. I'm going to send it anyway. I'm going to do 12K front, 10K rear. Send it, bro.
You guys silly? I'm still gonna send it.
Ace Banks on the track.
Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed that little cinematic. Me and Fred watched a Daniel Shifter video and tried to emulate it. Hope you guys liked it. If I edited it properly, you did. If not, my bad. But car's all done for the front. Now we're gonna lower the front and tackle the rear. Move up, fish. A solid day here at Fred's house. The car is being driven by Cheddar Bob Fred. The kids are inside playing their video games. The sun is setting.
Life is good. You know what I mean?
We all can learn a lesson from Mr. Sir Fred. When life gets you bad, don't use your left hand. Use the right.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
They don't even love you. And that is the fitment now. Matches still. Booyah. Well, once Fred get out the car, we'll see if it still matches. Come up a little bit in the front. Yep, we're good. Yeah. I heard you pop VTEC,
What
bro.
you mean? I had to bust a tech one time. I can't drive right now. I had to feel a VTEC one time.
Yeah, we're good, boy. We is good.
You done with your dishes? What? What was you?
Say bye to the camera, bruh.
All right,
Shout out
y'all.
your channel, man.
Hey, y'all boys, make sure y'all like, subscribe, check out the new air fresheners that's dropping today. Check out my dog merch.
Bro, I thought I plug you, not me.
Oh snap!
Yeah, bruh.
My fault. But make sure y'all follow EGK Coop. You know what I mean?
Link down below. You gotta say that too, bro. When people shout you out.
Link down below. Show some love. You know what I mean? Some support for a cripple. Alright, I'ma fuck with you.
Now it's blue blood in my veins, though you know what I came for. Born in the world.
Alright, so I just got home and look what arrived, boy. Ooh, let me show y'all. I'm gonna give y'all a sneak peek since y'all, you know what I mean, y'all the family, you know what I mean? Even though y'all treat me like a stepbrother. It's all good. Y'all the fam bamly. And I gotta show the fam what your boy got. Hold on. Kitty, man, what's up, man? Damn! Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. All right. Here's box one. Oh, they're so nice. Look at that. Oh, Zosh MFG sunglasses. Damn, son, these are so tough. So yeah, so that is what's coming forwarding for the next drop. My air fresheners released today. Today is Monday as I'm recording this. They release in like 30 minutes. This is what's soon to forward. I just gotta figure out how I'm going to package them things up, and dude, this is so sick, bro. I got my own sunglasses. What? I am living life. Well, at least trying to. Hi, welcome to Chili. So right now it's 7 o'clock. Usually this is my gym hour and this is when I'm going to the gym. So you guys are gonna come with me inside. Well, we're not gonna go inside the gym. That's just, I'm not vlogging in no gym. That hell no. But I'm gonna go do a power hour at the gym and then from there, bring it back home and close out this video. So, quick little review. Car drives excellent. I don't rub no more. I'm still low. I still got the closed wheel gap. Kitty, can you please chill, baby? Please chill. I have no wheel gap and it drives. I don't rub no more. I can drive. I can hit corners fast without rubbing. It's beautiful. Guys, if you want to upgrade your suspension, just buy springs. Just upgrade the springs and I promise you, I promise you. Would I lie to you? Would I lie to you? Yeah, I would. But I'm not lying right now, okay? I'm being very for realist. Trust me. Hi! Woo! Just left the gym. I'm feeling great. Oh my God, I can't wait to start this new diet today. Oh man, bro, I feel so rejuvenated, revitalized. Oh my God! Woo! I feel like I just did a line of blow or something, man. I feel good. Start having healthier eating choices. I'm finna start this new. Man. So what's up? I am finally back editing on my MacBook. If you didn't see the description of my last video, I got it fixed. $150 fix, not bad. I'm at a total of like $800 into a 2011 MacBook. I need a 2012 and up because I need Mojave. Mojave OS is what I need so I can use my Pixel Film Studios plugins because it runs Final Cut 10.4.7 or higher. But it's fine because I'm editing this video on my MacBook. So no more Sony video. My last video quality was trash. Like, that video was a solid vlog. We got some good, funny moments, but the video quality was trash juice. I can't believe I used to upload most of my video. You guys don't care. All in all, my car drive's fantastic. Subscribe to the Fresh channel, YouTube just down below. Thank y'all for watching. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. If your car smells like crap, please pick up an air freshener. Thanks.